Known as the orange economy, Minister of Culture Olivia Grange says it's the fastest growing economy in the world. This as she admits more investment in these areas is needed.
So in terms of the visual arts, in terms of the performing arts, we are so rich in our offerings and our culture that in order to harness all of this, we need to invest in unearthing, training, showcasing, packaging, showcasing, and help to move the sector and individuals in the sector into professional careers.
Minister Grange says that while Jamaica has attempted to invest in the sector, it has done so in a small way due to financial resources. Still, she says governments worldwide, including Jamaica, see this as an important area to invest in. She also had words for cultural practitioners.
As Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, I have that mandate from the Prime Minister and the government. We're not able to put as much financial resources into it as we can, as we should, but we're getting there. And I would use this opportunity to appeal to the sector that they have to also themselves ensure that their standard is always at a certain level.
Minister Grange says culture and sport are great tools for social intervention.
Sports and culture is a unifying force, and these are social intervention tools. And we recognize that, and we are committed to using those. I refer to sports as physical culture. And so we are using culture, physical culture, music, dance to unite communities and to channel idle hands into positive and productive things.
She says her ministry will need help from the communities and professionals in each industry area to elevate Jamaica's output and help the youth produce more positive content. Minister Grange was speaking at the recent launch of the Cecil Cooper Foundation.